shonko eba ifide kese eso too much age and we need eguso awushe medin de na ama urusa ebusa for nintia beto dwa ewo yepono so sesi atre se Honorable Kennedy Agyapongs a police for who says the other day and who be ya pa say womo de ahomban boss tronko edbema no ewo bibia obekobia se ne be ya ne nkwa enkoda nsa ma bi mu entimi emfa ho enkunu emfiatasi for asasi eso na sa ensem we police ni peni a woye deputy superintendent of police Juliana Obeng a obiemu no wasa public affairs unit of the criminal investigation department CID for PRO and what they ensem we abetu dan was say the CID de womani ewo ensem a Honorable Kennedy Agyapongs what in the video kese na two a the Exp0se asofo atrofo D4 kwan boni omonam so edibu nipa nipa po ekun bibi ede fra ho no womo de omani atum a womo de omani edi eche se ensem no kwari bia womo bia no womo di eche aye hu investigation ko si se womo hu ensem no etokra na enunti na hu be nya se si ade womo de ahomban bo ede be ma ho no abono because womo se na ensem no ekokakọ ene yet na eni edane dane atese afede threats nya abemu no hu be nya se ho no abono be nya police escort ewo de obeye biam be bi obekọ bia no sa police for eni omochi no omombo ne ho ban ewo kwan sroko ho a tese ne nkwa entimi enda ensaimu no de asemwe to da no wo kire mu ka se bibi biara honorable ede abetu dwa ewo Exp0se na woye wo the six show no so no ability for aso atibi na nunti wo musu gusua nhwehwemu deeper ones change the honorable de aba wo maje honorable evidence ebiom so wo musu ade wo mani ede ensem nachi omayi enkofo ama saa enkofo ya bomudin ene wo magima se wo monya emu nhwehwemu enkomu deeper se na be ye ensem no metimi ede aboabo ano na wo metimi abo charges ede ato enkofo ya bomudin no so international police for eyi wo mani anaso wo magja wo magima to ede ma honorable wo momu nim se edwuma na honorable ye no dangerous enu ti no mo so mo ta ekire mo timi fo mani mbekire nanso ensem no de wo mo hu wo mu bi wo mu de ekire a wo mu hwemu bi na ebiem no okan ekosi se honorable ejuma wo ye no a police for no so supporting one investigation ni mu say kofo kika say honorable we tuatua nkofo ka informant for ka no tese omo de information bre no no enimu sa omo a police for na honorable no wo mo bua no investigations ehwehwe ensemu efa asofo wo bom din no ho se no be ya ono to benya information no de abeduna na sit show no so achechemu de achire atwefo ne etefo no omo hu ni say dangerous be bia kono very dangerous enunti eno mo de police escort no edema honorable no na asemwe ebeto da no nkofo dodo na choma drink nkofo dodo na tese ka se ebeboa pa because honorable enche bia ene Ibra1 ene another people another group of people wo mo so wetia na tese wo mo threaten the life se de wo ye ne yo mo bufunti se wa anye bibi amfa na se wo nya de wo ye na wo mekunu wo mo de ntrene ede koma na ama ebikra enche crampo no another cousin of Isbeka say efia honorable ye ni fie no akronfo ebo ra ho anka omo intention mo de ra ho na se ka mo beku honorable no nanso wo ma meto no ho na esa so biem no so se ne dan no automated lock nti wo biefu dan no nya no tese onya no tibi dwane fi dan mu a akronfo na eka dan na nka mo bemu abeku honorable no enu nti emane no kware se honorable no ne nkwa no eda ensemu ebi mu so ka se honorable ejuma na wafato no so wo ye no deep issues pa and wo ye ensema room wo Ghana ha etesenya enne ehya no akekakeka wo nkofa no nanso obi etimi nya kokudo ma bonti emesi ni pie enu ti se honorable afato no so nu abesi ni pie no de ho evidence chire pictures kan sem tese wo kan pain sa and ye den a eni beba no ho nkofo bebe se o meyi na efi ho se na be ya wo menya o masumdwe anase wo mo nsem no emetodwa wa bonti enu ti se police for eka se honorable no wo mayi nkofo de ama wo mayi nkofo de ama ne se won hwe no na be boa pa because eno sa no ye be nu say all the time no honorable saver ne ho emma asembia na ebusa form enche bia na NDC for almost for back home ebetra na fidie kese so echechiremu eka say honorable no eduma woye no NPP for na time na chima na yenti enu nya kokudo enu oyenti enche honorable no no be deal with him also fikra wono aso biem na national security for enzako so mu amodu ko pie mu e o makati a mu hu say we eda nsem na ebiem so no ye ne dia kosi nchen a Power FM for radio presenters bi ejina wo mafidie so akaseti a honorable abon trene a kire se wo muso wo nim ne fari by to wo muso be make sure say wo mema ne ho abasam nti ebiem so do piem no Ibra one wono so abetena efidie kese so social media so trene akọ ede ama ye honorable say honorable so enya eduma wo ye no money laundering charges na wo de abo bishop that they will be nim no ya won train say nese ono so ebekọ so yi honorable ne to adedi ama obi ehun because ono so nim ne nsem na money laundering grab nsem na wo de ato bishop that obi nim no ono Ibra one enim say honorable na emu bi say wo chire nsem ma say one of the Instagram post no or the honorable numbers ede betu ja ankofo hu ni say honorable ni privacy ni ebiem so ni security and whatever to judge say what about pavy way ama enkofo enya honorable no nti and as a police forecast wo mo yi escort the man there and e be boapa and ma honorable no na sumdwe etimi atna na ebi so ka say ade honorable no oye nipa ben ya anti a ebi mo so ka say honorable no ankasa mu no oye nipa ben ya ate say ade Ghana ha waje ha boso a why the center of attention edumeko bia ye eduma de mano wo pe kra o timbe tele fide kete so wo mema national security for abecho ampaso wo medi eche ade be che ne ye koche nkako no etumi kra ka say police for mema wa ko we aka che na ampaso ade be che no wo mu di that 72 honorable no wo be so mu bi hu ni say honorable Ghana ha ono no ye president and na say your president wa no o juma fra wo dia they say that all attention no I centered on him na the everywhere be Ghana for so e do mo comment ma dwen kira mo fa ensem na ye police ni peni DSP Juliana Obeng edibetu da efa honorable eno no ma mekeka bi di ma efa ma ahwefo na ebiem so etiefo we efi Angela say well, it will be very good that you assign police escort for honorable because now the kind of threats that he's receiving, you can tell that people are conniving to kill him. So it is good that police are escorting him. Also, actually, I don't say, say police for the honorable chide, and noa and a Ghana, I am to share yet to see a bomb by a basis, and yes, honorable son of what could do a worker say, and who young for him won't enter, who I know you are telling 10 years not to check because Ghana ha ye peno credit scientist wo ka no credit dia wo bi be fa no time e de yi de fi on police for the nature na ne kwan so a eno no ye hwe Linda so e dia wo de about say you people all you know how to do is sit down and wait for somebody to work for you and come and take the glory after. Please, you allowed honorable to be the CID here in Ghana and now you are coming out as if you are the one behind honorable. Please let honorable do his work and also do your work as police personnel and arrest all those people who are threatening the honorable's life or no so they are about to or no they only say and some na DSP Juliana will pay edebetu dan one nya adwumba kwa say ohun say ehun cry e tiga na ha munimunsem moye investigations mo dwuma ne say kadebia da ensemmone a ekoso mmere emu enhwehwemu na tese no kware bia wo mbia mo beba to abonten wo bia ehu bi mo nye mo tete wona mo choice go for the case bebre mu go for the case be background pa enhu adwuma kwampo no ade asa ahyemo say mo nya ne by force and na say you penu bi ho asem ansana wo be sorry aye eni ti ba twa atraga na ma ono abo afa CID adwuma de ato no ho aye investigations ahu nyama nkofo osuma say afen na mo de manim bebata ne de no mo nya ono abo no nya adwuma na mo so mo nya adwuma fata say nkofo ya bom di akom asem mo so mo fa chire na mo nkochi omo na mo toto omo no eru na hunya enye say afen na mo anim betale ono abo anim ti say dem na maye adwuma no ono de ode eba ye no ye hye Felicia so edia wode aba ewa say now I am at ease hearing this. I always prayed for the honorable that God protect him because what he is doing and where he is leading, all eyes are on him and definitely somebody might try to end his life. It is good that the police are now escorting him. Also, I commend a police for report on the better than in the say the see day police for what is say one with the honorable chin if you call any if you be send a bay honorable no so everything I will bind boy. It says the Juma dear what didn't there a dangerous pan. Meanfa a year Sandra dear what they abba and so and come home. Sandra said, indeed, if in Ghana here the police is escorting you, you should rather be afraid for your life. There have been police escorts here, but the police are the same people who conspire with people outside to kill Ghanaians. So if you are being told that the police is escorting you, master, then be fearful for your life. Also, Edia, what they abano, also send or then some number to say futu, and now they Emma a honorable say, and some yaki cardia ten a man and your home. Say a man police escorting T.O. May Fahana Fahab in Namana Minama, or no Agata on the ways or the one who by the other. One for no more enter so. Nagana police for Yaka said, don't remember how to some member who by no. Ube na police for no so o ma koka abone for no ho na o wagisika na kada na BBS na ya ma ho kwan na te se wo an ye de wo kono nte be ya honorable ono ani ways I will use no won ko so use so and my bond de hunya mom na to police for no mema ho fa ne enante enko be bibia esan se wo mo so no wo me dangerous sa ma me fa eye no wade a wode aba no encha to say master the honorable doesn't need any police escort. Leave that man alone. You people are always supporting what is not necessary. Onoto ni said the air kono ehun ehia bia sa honorable the police for air command no enye de bia te say somu enka be ya ka yenya tookrapo do honorable no nam onim de oye wansa no be sha se no onim de oye ansa no sha se nti enye afei na enkofo de mo ho ba be bata na so de niam no ebusa for me de comment ni si na me bisa say honorable ejuma wo ye baby a edui any baby o sha say efie no wo did say a police for escorted there e man ni sisi ase mo mo no ho ban na police for so enso ni investigation sa wayen evidence o debe to de no mo nso mo no mo ndo nsem no suka no ebeboa e de ebe ko du baby a ebeboa wo man mu ana say honorable no wo sha ase no no onim de oye onim no ho de dada enye enne na honorable sha ase say wo ye pain wo kan nsem pain enye ne honorable sha say wo kan nsem dide enye ne enti afi a ayesia di for ka she say wo the police for e de ma honorable wo be ya police for say wo ne enante enkombra no ebeboa e wo kwan bia so bi de wonim bia no obetimi e dia to jawa twentwe no so faka ho e wo too much comment section e ma we fit video we ho kwan se be share e dia ma do for obi bia obem bia bi for enuanom adafo for obi afama no so entimi enrebi na bia mo so no follow e wo ye Instagram page @too_much_. Me din edena na ama owusu a me de be si ai ne e be se shebim na me nkan ho.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase yepe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na